When creating a video, selecting the right scene can significantly enhance its quality and appeal. Here are two quick ways to help you find the perfect scene. First, choose a scene based on your video's theme. If you're creating a product introduction video for a tech company, simply filter by style and pick a tech-themed scene to boost the futuristic vibe. If you're a content creator making vertical videos, choose vertical formats with standing or seated scenes to ensure the best display on mobile. Second, match your scene to your material's dimensions. For 3:1 widescreen slides, a large stage works best to highlight details. For 16:9 videos, opt for horizontal scenes, like small stages to suit various needs. By mastering these tips, you'll easily find the perfect scene for your video needs. Give it a try.